Another thing that we're going to be doing on our 1941 Chevy pickup is upgrading the gauges. They decided after some contemplation, they went on Autometer's website. As you can see, they've chosen these Autometer vintage gauges along with this very nice Autometer billet aluminum gauge cluster to kind of upgrade the look of their interior. Original factory interior is redone and it looks nice, but they just kind of want to change the look around just a little bit, make it a little bit more their own. Contacted us about installing it while we've got the vehicle. Looks like it's pretty straightforward installation, so we went ahead and told them we'd be happy to do that while we've got the truck. That's one of the things that we do offer here at 3D Auto is if you want to change up some of your gauges on your vintage pickup truck, or maybe a muscle car, you want to upgrade some gauges, or maybe get some different gauges that allow you to have more feedback from what the car is doing versus what the stock gauges offer. Those are all things that we could help you do. Please feel free to give us a call down here at the shop. We'd love to talk about what you're looking to do and the results you're looking to achieve. So give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop.